Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make healthy pudding at home. Let's begin by gathering our core ingredients. For a creamy and nutritious base, choose unsweetened plant milk, such as almond or oat, or opt for plain Greek yogurt. To sweeten naturally, consider a small amount of maple syrup, honey, or pitted dates. Finally, incorporate healthy fats and a delightful texture with 2 tablespoons of chia seeds or 1/4 of a ripe avocado. These simple choices lay the foundation for a truly wholesome treat. Now let's elevate the taste and feel of your pudding. Fresh fruits are fantastic for adding natural sweetness and essential vitamins. Think berries, bananas, or mango. Enhance the flavor profile further with warm spices like cinnamon, a dash of pure vanilla extract, or a tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder for a chocolatey twist. To ensure a perfectly smooth and luxurious texture, a high-speed blender is your best friend. Blend until all ingredients are thoroughly combined and velvety. Making your healthy pudding is incredibly straightforward. First, gather all your chosen ingredients and place them into your blender. Blend on high speed for about 1 to 2 minutes, or until the mixture is completely smooth and free of any lumps. Once blended, pour the pudding into individual serving dishes or a larger container. Cover it and refrigerate for a minimum of 2 hours, allowing it to set and thicken beautifully. This chilling time is crucial for the perfect consistency. Finally, let's talk about enjoying your delicious creation. Your homemade healthy pudding can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, making it excellent for meal prep. For convenient grab-and-go options, portion it into small jars or containers. Before serving, consider adding a delightful garnish like fresh berries, a sprinkle of chopped nuts, or a touch of shredded coconut. This simple, nutritious treat is perfect for breakfast, a snack, or a light dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.